The fourth recommendation, the 14th Amendment, Section 3. Under Section 3 of the Constitution's 14th Amendment, an individual who previously took an oath to support the Constitution of the United States, but who has engaged in an insurrection against the same or given aid or comfort to the enemies of the Constitution can be disqualified from holding future federal or state office. The Select Committee has referred Donald Trump and others for possible prosecution under 18 U.S.C. 2383, including for assisting and providing aid and comfort to an insurrection. The committee also notes that Donald J. Trump was impeached by a majority of the House of Representatives for incitement of an insurrection, and there were 57 votes in the Senate for his conviction. Congressional committees of jurisdictions should consider creating a formal mechanism for evaluating whether to bar those individuals identified in this report under Section 3 of the 14th Amendment from holding future federal or state office. The committee believes that those who took an oath to protect and defend the Constitution and then on January 6th engaged in insurrection can appropriately be disqualified and barred from holding government office, whether state or federal, civilian or military, absent at least 2/3 of Congress acting to remove the disability pursuant to Section 3 of the 14th Amendment. The committee notes that Ms. Wasserman Schultz and Mr. Raskin have introduced House Resolution 93 to declare the January 6th assault an insurrection, and House Resolution 7906 to establish specific procedures and standards for disqualification under Section 3 of the 14th Amendment in the United States District Court for the District of Columbia. So here we have the January 6th committee making the recommendation of disqualifying people who were involved in the January 6th insurrection and its planning from taking office. I want to remind you that Scott Perry and Jim Jordan were named in this. They were named several times in the report. There were other people, other members of Congress who were named in the report. Some of them rise to the level of committing overt acts, some of them don't.